Hey, it's Justin again. Bike check, I guess. So far, I've had nothing but issues with my gyro. It's broken 3 cables. Crank, bottom bracket, it blew one of those out. My hub, blew up. Shouldn't say blew up, the bearings are shot. This bike here though is a replacement because crappy tire gave me another one. So pretty much I got my new Maxxis hookworms, and then there's hookworm there. Great tire. Doesn't wear out that quickly. I got fit clear pedals. And sorry for the flashlight, just because the garage is dark. Yeah, just your normal fit clear. Paid $33 for them. Normal sprocket. This tire here is a Leo freestyle tire. Put it, yeah, there. Leo freestyle. Normal shit. I don't really like it that much. See, I've had this bike for a few months and my DK grips are already like falling apart. So is that. It's stripped 3 of these already. Pulled them right through the handle. So I have to get another one of these, another brake handle. People strip this, the stem screw or whatever. I don't give a fuck whatever that's called. I don't care. Really good with bikes though, but this one here, it's a pain in the ass. Constantly breaks. So it's a great starter bike. I'm getting an actual real freestyle bike soon, I'm hoping for. But yeah, if you like the video, comment, subscribe, whatever. Leave questions. Oh, and I'm also getting a sealed bottom bracket conversion kit for it, which is $130, so it's a sealed bearing and not an open caged bearing. Oh, and it broke a gyro, like the actual gyro piece. Shitty ass braking, I can say that. Stock tires that I had on it wore out pretty fucking fast. Plans for it, nothing really. Yeah, if you want any more bike checks or anything, I've got a few more bikes here. So, if you want, ask.